Is 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore worth using? Let's explore its features, pros, and cons in this review. Part 1. What is 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore? 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore is a desktop program that helps users back up and restore data from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch devices. It allows users to create standard or encrypted backups and preview selected data before restoring. Part 2. Core features of 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore. Part 3. How to use 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore. Step 1. Install and open the program. Step 2. Connect your iOS device via USB. Step 3. Select iOS data backup and choose a backup mode. Step 4. Select data types to back up. Step 5. Click Backup and wait for completion. Step 6. Choose a backup, select Files, and restore data. Step 7. Confirm and finish the restoration. Part 4. Why choose or not choose 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore. Part 5. Best replacement for 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore. With the focus on iOS data management, Mobikin Assistant for iOS Windows Mac helps users transfer, backup, restore, and manage files such as photos, contacts, messages, and music between an iPhone and a computer. How to use the best 4Easysoft iOS data backup and restore. Install Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Connect your iPhone or iPad via USB, and trust the computer when prompted. After the device is detected, preview and manage files from the sidebar or use Super Toolkit to back up and restore data.